Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by gathering the essentials: the final video file, the spoken transcript or rough script, and any existing timecodes. Once done, open your chosen subtitle tool and import the video so you can scrub while labeling speech. Make sure to set the project frame rate to match the video. This keeps timing accurate. Next, create a new subtitle file and paste the transcript in. Then proceed to split lines into readable caption lengths as you listen and mark approximate in /out points. Now you refine timing and style. You should go line by line, trimming or expanding cue durations so captions appear and disappear with the speech, aiming for roughly 0, 2 to 0, 5 seconds leeway. Once synced, optimize readability. Split long sentences, keep 2 lines max, and target 140 to 180 words per minute reading speed. Then set font, size, contrast, and background edge so text is visible on varied footage. Finally, preview at full resolution and adjust any overlapping cues or rapid cut. To finish, export your subtitle file in the required format, and if needed, render a burnt-in version. You must perform a thorough quality check by watching the entire video with captions on, correcting typos, speaker names, and pacing issues. Once done, test the file across common players and browsers. If you see systematic timing drift, apply a global offset or retime using the subtitle tool and re-export. If encoding causes desync, re-encode the video at the original frame rate and repeat the QC process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.